There aren't a lot of wide open spaces in Timeless Beauty for quilting motifs, but I did find two. The very center of the quilt and the space above each flower between the birthstones. In the center, I quilted a 6-pointed flower shape and designed this swirly motif to fill the space above the flowers. Both of these motifs are available for you to download and print if you would like to use them. To mark the motifs on the quilt, I used a light box and traced them with a white iron-out fabric marker. I quilted the motifs with black Aurifil 50-weight 2-ply cotton thread in the needle and black bottom line polyester thread in the bobbin.